Introduction to the overhead press.
The overhead press is a classic strength exercise that primarily targets your shoulders, triceps, and upper chest. It's a powerful move for building upper body strength, improving posture, and boosting athletic performance. Mastering the correct form not only enhances muscle growth, but also minimizes injury risk, making it essential for anyone serious about fitness.
Setting up, stance and grip.
Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your core engaged. Grip the bar or dumbbells with hands slightly wider than shoulder width, keeping wrists straight and elbows directly under your wrists. This stable foundation helps ensure smooth, pressing mechanics and supports your body as you lift.
Executing the movement step by step.
Raise the weight from shoulder height directly overhead, fully extending your arms without locking your elbows. Keep your chest up, avoid excessive back arching, and press in a straight line. The bar should travel just in front of your face, and finish overhead with your biceps close to your ears.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Overarching your lower back, flaring elbows too wide, or pressing the bar forward can lead to discomfort or injury. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine, tight core, and controlled movement. If the weight feels unstable, reduce the load until you can press with proper technique.
Tips for progress and safety.
Warm up your shoulders and upper back before lifting, and always progress gradually with weight. Breathe steadily, exhale as you press upward, and inhale as you lower. Incorporating overhead presses into your routine can increase shoulder strength and power, provided you prioritize form and listen to your body.